Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for basics of bar bending schedule. If you are working on construction site, so you should know about the basics of bar bending schedule, which is related with steel structure design, if that is beam, column, slab, or any RCC structure on which you are working on the construction site, if that is residential building or commercial building. The first one is, guys, standard length of steel bar. Our bars are sawed at standard length, which is 12 meter from the factory. The standard length of the steel rod is 12 meter or 40 feet. Also, it is known as 40 grade. If the length is 60 feet, so that means this is 60 grade steel rod. 40 grade steel rods and 60 grade steel rods, because for normal residential building you can use 40 grade steel rod which length is 40 feet, okay? But for commercial building I am recommending you used 60 grade steel rod which length is also 60 feet, okay? If you have less than 12 meters, so it means this is the local steel rod, not from the factory, or someone did some mistake with you. So therefore the standard length of the steel is 12 meter, and you can buy the steel rods from the factory, and you should do the measurement. If that is 12 meters, so it's okay. Next one is weight of bar for length 1 meter. Weight of bar for length 1 meter. What should be the length of 1 meter? So what is the formula to find the total weight of the steel rod if the dia is 10 millimeter or 12 millimeter? So remember, use the formula d square divided by 162, where d is dia of bar. Suppose this is the example. If the length of the bar is 12 meter with 10 millimeter dia of steel rod, so the dia, then weight of bar, d square divided by 162. So the total length is 7.40 kgs if the dia is 10 millimeter. Suppose if the dia is 12 millimeter, so do same 12 multiply 12 divided by 162, you will get the value 0.88 kg. So this is for 1 meter, okay? So if you have 12 meters, so 0.88 multiply 12, you will get the one steel rod which is 12 meter and the dia is 12 millimeter. This is very important if you are working on construction site, how you can calculate the weight of steel for 1 meter. If that is 16 millimeter or any dia, so the formula should be d square divided by 162, and the diameter should be in millimeter, not in meter, okay? Next, guys, you can see the third one is density of steel is 7850 kg per meter cube, okay? So you should know about the density of steel. Next, overlap length, okay? As you know, sometimes we require to overlap one steel rod to another, because if we don't have the sufficient length to extend the length of steel rod, so we overlap one steel rod to another one. As you can see, this is the example. For example, this is 40 feet and you require to extend the length of the steel up to 70 feet. Suppose total length is 70 feet, so one steel rod should be overlapped with the another one, that is called overlapping length. So what should be the overlapping length? Remember, guys, 50D or 40D. So here overlap length for the compression member column. Guys, you can see this is column which is compression member. So use the 50D, where D is die of steel rod, okay? Next, the overlap length for the tension zone, or if that is beam or slab, so the dia should be in, okay, you can say D is the diameter, okay? If the dia is in inches or millimeters, so multiply with 40, then you will get the total length of lapping. Suppose I'm using 12 millimeter, so 12 millimeter multiply 50, so it means we required 600 millimeter, or you can say 2 feet, sorry, for 12 millimeter, okay? If that is 1.0.5 inch, so multiply 50, so you can say 25 inches. So this is the overlapping. So for the column 50D, for the beam or compression zone, for compression zone which is column 50D, for the tension zone 40D. So the dia should be in the, or the D should be in the diameter, or you can say the D is the diameter for this steel structure design. So guys, this is a short video but very important for you people to know about the basics of bar bending schedule, how to find the hooks length like this. Guys, you can see low hook length. Suppose this is raft foundation, and raft foundation we are providing the length, how you can find this length. So we have different shapes in the RCC structural design. So these are the some basics which I have discussed in front of you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.